Suppose you have an online store. If you upload 3D model of your product, then your visitor can look at the product from every side, from every corner. Also, you can design your website with 3D image and your website will be outstanding. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach 3D model, 3D image on your WordPress website. Very easy. So hello guys, I'm Imam Sadiq and welcome to WWEngineer. Okay, to do same thing, we have few method, but we gonna follow the easiest one, that is just installing a plugin and download your 3D model, upload and then add. That's it. So to do that, first you go to your WordPress dashboard, log in your dashboard and then go to plugin, then add new plugin. Here we search 3D viewer. Here you see so many plugins to do 3D stuff, but we're gonna install this one, 3D viewer by UP plugin LLC. So you see I have already installed it and activated. You just need to install and activate it. So after activate this plugin, you see we have a new option in the left side, that is 3D viewer, and you see here all 3D viewer, add new, setting, help, etc. So if you click all 3D viewers, then you see all your 3D file that you have already created your 3D list, and here you can see the setting. Okay, you can explore this according to yourself. It is super easy. I don't need to explain every option. So click again all 3D viewer and you can add new 3D by clicking this button or this, and you need to write here something. So you see we have a shortcut to paste any shortcut widget. And also you see here is a PHP code. If you want to use this PHP shortcode in your PHP file, then you can use this one. Now you see here viewer, choose your viewer, and also you see the instruction for your light. You can use JLB and glTF. So if you have like this extension file, then you can use advanced. And also here are some options. You see here model type, simple cycle, model source type, 3D source. So you can explore according to yourself. So now in this box we need to locate our 3D file. So how do you download your 3D file? Just go to Google and search GLB 3D model free download. So here you see so many websites to download this GLB file. Somewhere you need to buy and somewhere you can download free. So we're going to this website is Sketchfab, and here you can browse the all file or you can search here. I'm going to search here that motto, and you see this file, this is downloadable. Here is downloadable arrow, also this is downloadable. So I'm going to download this file, and you can see the file here by moving your mouse. So go to download 3D model, click this button, and you will find here some extension available for this file. You see FBX, and here is GLB, glTF. So I'm going to download this one. Click over this upload source. You see here moto that glb. So just drag and drop this file here, then select moto that. Okay, here an important thing, if you cannot upload this type of file, glb file, obj file, or any type of file to your WordPress website, then we have an ultimate solution to our YouTube channel, link in the description below. In that video we have discussed how to upload any type of file to your WordPress website. You can check it out, that video, and save it here and copy this shortcode. Now go to post and then add new. I just demonstrate here with post. You can use with page or post or wherever you just have an option for shortcode. So now you need to search here shortcode. You see here this is the shortcode, and paste this code. Now publish it and view the post. You see here, our file is ready. So if you're using page builder, like Elementor is popular page builder, now let me show you how to do the same thing with Elementor page builder. So this is the page I all time work with, this demo page. And if you're familiar little bit with Elementor, you know just what I did here. I just select a section, I drag here a section, and this is the default column. And inside this column, I just select shortcode, and this is the heading. This background image I set for this section. You see here, this is the image. So this shortcode you can find, you can find here, or you can search here shortcode. This is the shortcode. We just need to paste our that 3D shortcode and update this button. That's it. So now again go to our this page and see what we did for this 3D file. So you see here, this is the file we have just created, and the design, you can attach whatever file you want, whatever product. And same thing you can do with your online store, like for WooCommerce. If you have installed WooCommerce plugin, then you can do same thing. Okay, let me show you faster. Just go to your WordPress dashboard. You see I have already installed WooCommerce, then product, and then add new product and some demo description. And we need to set here our product image, any demo price. And now scroll down. Now we need to just click add new model and then upload your model. So again, we just locate our that file, and then you see here top of the product image, you see. So now I just click replace product image with 3D, and then click publish. So you see our product now is published. Just click view product. And one more thing, if you don't find perfect 3D model for your product, then you can hire 3D model creator and attach to your product. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, don't hesitate to write in comment section below. Thanks for watching.